Manita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Manita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style canned mackerel in tomato sauce curry. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 can of mackerel in tomato sauce which I have cut and removed all the bones, 1 medium onion which I have chopped, 1/4 cup of oil, salt to taste, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of tamarind, 1/4 cup of hot water, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 4 cloves of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 3 chilies which I have made a small slit in them to stop it from popping while cooking. Take your tamarind, add hot water, use a spoon to break the tamarind into small pieces and put it aside to soak. To make the curry, place a pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add onions, curry leaves and chilies. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add mackerel, curry powder, turmeric, garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix, put a lid on, lower the heat and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it twice. While waiting for the curry to cook, get the tamarind water ready by squeezing the tamarind and the water together using your fingers. After 10 minutes, add tamarind water using a strainer. Use a spoon to push the pulp through. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My Fiji style canned mackerel in tomato sauce curry is ready and you can serve it with roti, rice, toast or puri. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.